Ani, what are you doing?
Hi everyone! So today we are in the Suntec city. Wow! Yes, honey, look. You stretch your right hand, touch the water, make a silent wish, and follow the directional sign. Make around 3 times. This is like a fortune.
Yeah,
For the fortune.
Okay, the first time, number 1. Go faster, sayang. Oh. So cool.
Super
Number
cool.
2. Yes, I hope so you're gonna have a lots of luck, sayang.
We wish you guys this year and next year, the next year, with lots of luck and fortune.
And on the same occasion, I would like to wish to everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I know it's still a few days before New Year, but this is a special place for wishing that stuff. We need luck and everybody needs luck. So all the best, guys, and enjoy the place like this one in Singapore, the Fountain of Wealth.
As you see that behind me the fountain, it's just the water is coming from the fountain and just stay inside. Just like this. The shape of building, you see just like a thumb, like a palm. And then inside, like this one, is the water. So this one is the symbol of the prosperity. So hope you all guys get prosperous. So this fountain of wealth, which is the symbol of wealth and life, recognized in 1998 by the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's largest fountain. And the bronze ring of the fountain is designed on the Hindu mandala or universe and is a symbolic representation of the oneness in a spirit and unity, representing the quality of harmony of all races and religions. Soak in the positive ki energy at the fountain by encircling the fountain clockwise 3 times, stretching out your right hand over the water as you make a silent wish and let the wonders unfold. And all of this, guys, is the symbol for the Feng Shui as well.
Also next to the Fountain of Wealth is so many restaurants. When it's the lunchtime, so many people coming here and enjoying the lunch, overlooking the beautiful, the water splash in the fountain, basically.
Alright, so we start our day today. We have lunch in Suntec City Mall. I got lost. So finally we just arrived and we eat our lunch today.
That's our food. Singaporean specialties. Okay, that's the fish. That's for me. But that's the specialties. And with our bro Lim from Singapore. Welcome to Singapore. Thank you. Always meeting when in Singapore. Sayang, how's your food lah?
I don't know. I just speechless.
Speechless?
All the food here is so good. This bihun, the traditional bihun.
So nice, looking very nice. Okay, you can find the squids and everything. And this one looks like a salted egg squid. Try, sayang. Nice. Looking nice. Is it spicy? No?
No.
No spicy?
Not good.
Okay.
Still salted.
We are going to different location and we stop in one place, very nice view overlooking the Marina and the stadium and the business district or the banks and another stadium over there, and it's like a park where you could actually walk behind all of these huge malls. Actually the mall name is Marina Square here. We're gonna go now to different location, but I think it's very interesting point of view where we are right now. We're going to Marina Bay area. Here we go.
You can, but it's troublesome,
And there, guys, gonna be a tower number 4 of Marina Bay Hotel one day in the future. Already they making the preparations, so cool. And we are going now to Marina Barrage. I never been here and I always wanted to come actually. So you can see at the front so many container ships parked, which Singapore is famous for the huge harbor in general. In the background you can see the Batam in Indonesia, obviously. And what is more interesting about the Marina Barrage is this over here, what you can see right now. So all of this is the salted water, and behind this, the concrete construction where this guy is cycling right now is the clear fresh water, which is very interesting fact about the Singapore, how they are taking the fresh water in Singapore.
Well, actually the 3 benefits of the Marina Barrage. The first one, water supply. Marina Barrage is a dam built across the 350-meter wide Marina Channel forming Singapore's 15th reservoir and the first reservoir in the city, the Marina Reservoir. Together with the Punggol and Serangoon Reservoir, it has increased Singapore's water catchment area from half to 2/3 of the nation's land area since 2011. Marina Barrage is a milestone project under the first national TAP, local catchment water. The other 3 sources in the 4 national TAP's water supply strategy are imported water, which is imported from Malaysia, new water and desalinated water. So the second benefit is the flood control. Marina Barrage is a part of comprehensive flood control scheme to alleviate flooding in the low-lying areas in the city, such as Chinatown, Boat Quay, Jalan Besar, and Geylang. During the heavy rain, the crest gates at the dam will be activated to release excess storm water into the sea when the tide is low. In case of the high tide, giant pumps which are capable of emptying an Olympic-sized swimming pool per minute will drain excess storm water into the sea. And the third one is lifestyle attraction. As the water in Marina Reservoir is unaffected by tides, its water level can be kept relatively constant all year round. This is ideal for recreational activities such as kayaking, sailing, and dragon boating.
Also, Lim said, as all of this empty land and little parking what is here in next year, actually, they're gonna be construction of something new, because everywhere in Singapore, there is always construction of new things. Sayang, I don't know if you realize, but people also coming here to flying the kites, lah.
And also many people having a picnic here. Wow, I think this is a very great spot for the family, having a great time, having a picnic, watching the, Marina Bay. And
also this is a great spot to watching the fireworks during the New Year, for example, which is upcoming in next few days.
A nice breeze. Wow.
Nice breeze. And also you can fly drone here, but only in the green area here, so you cannot fly over the Marina Bay Sand anyways. Alright, today is a little bit of everything and a little bit of information, interesting facts about the Singapore. And now recently we arrived to the gardens by the bay, guys. Been a while when I was here last time, and it's so much new things here. And well, it's kind of busy because it's almost Christmas, so many tourists from all around the world came to Singapore. And now we're gonna explore gardens by the bay. There are many things, not only super trees here. Sayang, where are we going now?
We are going to the cloud forest for the avatar experience. Let's go inside.
Let's get inside. Be inspired.
Wow.
Feel connected.
Wow, I was thinking that the temperature here will be hot, but actually the temperature is just like in the nature. Very nice. And look at the waterfall. Wow.
So cool, isn't it? Okay, let's get inside. Let's go to the top and let's see where is the avatar experience going on. Actually, this one is new, and I think this kind of dragon wasn't here last time when I was here last time, actually.
Feeling is just like I am in the nature waterfall. Wow. So nice.
Here is some attraction, avatarize yourself, and you can do some interesting stuff actually over here. But they have machines here to do it, but the queue is pretty long, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it or not, but looks tempting actually if I'm already here, especially during the times where they make a special event. This looks like some machines from the science fiction science. Maybe it's worth to wait in the queue, yeah?
Let's see.
Because it's interesting. And well, this is the thinker here. Almost like me when I'm thinking about the title of the video for tomorrow. This is how the people are doing this. Later you can download the image yourself. Let's see how we gonna look like when we're gonna get inside of this.
You asked us about how much is the ticket actually going to the avatar experience at Cloud Forest and then Flower Dome. It's about $53 per person for the adult.
This is where people are making themselves into avatar, and now is the turn of Sayang. User detected. Sayang, make a nice face because you have to, take off your heart. User detected. All right, looks like this one. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, check this out. Scan completed. And now is the measure. 106.73 centimeters. You're gonna now DNA to 3 point. Honey, you're gonna be 3 meter tall now.
Really?
Yeah, from 173 up to 3 meter 5 centimeters.
Oh, look at that!
So cute, Sayang. That's the Winnie the Monkey avatar. Winnie the Monkey avatar. Make a picture you can download later on. This is lie. I'm higher than 173. I'm 185.
Oh, look at that. This is your DNA.
Yeah.
You see how it is?
I see.
Baby, you look so scary.
That's what should be. The monkey should be scary, right? Simulation completed. Okay, let's go next. Sayang, what's that now?
This is called sacred space. You have to touch it.
And then?
Doesn't work.
You feel something, baby?
Oh, to activate the connective energy. Oh, like that, you're going up. That's my energy coming to the plant.
Oh my God, I will try as well. So you press this one.
That doesn't work.
Okay, doesn't work. Only this one. Oh, you see? I press and the lights are changing. Whenever I press, the lights are changing and this is coming to the cloud over there. So you're doing like this one and the thing's getting serious more and more. You come deep inside. The avatar's already here, climbing the tree. And you can feel like really in the forest, in the jungle where Avatar was filmed.
It really looks like the real thing in Avatar. The sound.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Sayang. This is gonna eat you now. So cool. Hello. Now we are going to the lost world. Let's see what is there. Also, I'm gonna tell you it's quite busy over here today. Also, this is everything under the roof by human made, but it's heavy rainy outside. So actually we are lucky as we are here. I think we have to go up now more little bit.
Cloud forest to garden by the bay is actually forest habitats typically found at some 2,000 meters above the sea level. And then you can look out for the carnivorous plants such as pitcher plants and Venice flytraps set against a verdant carpet of delicate ferns and mosses, all while enjoying spectacular views of the Marina Bay waterfront. While cloud forest actually is as large as 1.5 regular football field. It features a 35-meter tall indoor waterfall. Temperature in the cloud forest range for 23 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, and the cloud forest has a humidity of 80% until 90%. So if you look up, you will see the chilled water pipes within the floor slabs help to cool the air. This method called thermal stratification, which helps reduce the volume of air to be cool.
Yeah, looks like this one. Looks pretty cool, like in the real nature. If you will don't see as there is the roof upstairs, you will think as this is like really summer very cool, very nice imitation. Of course, this is one of the most popular tourist attraction in Singapore, and well, definitely highly recommended for everyone to visit because it's really cool. And then, well, the avatar is additional bonus, of course. It's super cool. And this is actually what Rini was reading about. That's the pipes with the cool water. We are going down, and one of the good things about this tourist attraction is that as the temperature here is lovely, 23-25 degree, it's actually not hot, not sunny. If it's rainy, you become dry because of the roof, obviously. And when we are just discussing with Winnie, this is actually easy attractions to do in Singapore if you are here. Yes, Sayang? Very easy, yeah? This is the first attraction what you don't feel tired, yeah?
Yeah, and then the weather is the temperature is so cool. It's not that hot.
We are going to the Crystal Mountain and look at this one. This one is actually cool. He even moved his head. That's cool, actually. And of course, you have so many attractions dedicated into the avatar. Like you can play games or something like this. Very interesting stuff for everyone who are fans of avatars. Definitely worth and must try when in Singapore, without any doubt. And now guys, when you are leaving, it's so cloudy. Totally different atmosphere than we enter here. Here is some gallery at night. Check this out. Actually very good vibe and atmosphere for everyone who likes the stuff like this one. Check this out. This one looks very cool indeed. Here we go. So cool, isn't it? Something cool is going on here. Check this out. We are going through the lights like this one. Wow, this is cool. This one what is here now is very cool indeed. Siang is here. So cool. Oh, the world is coming. Cool stuff indeed. Previously what you saw, that was the cloud forest and avatar experience here in Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. Super cool stuff. You could go and see by yourself if you have any chance. If not, you saw on my YouTube channel. Then you have a beautiful panorama of Singapore and the flyer. There is the water just behind me over there. But another attraction here, what we have to see today is this one. It looks exactly the same, but it's the flower dome. And even I've been in Singapore so many times, and I've been before in the cloud forest. I never been on this one. So now we're gonna show you this building. Looks so cool, and I heard it looks beautiful inside. This is the entrance to the flower dome, and this is what you see when you enter here. Check this out. Also here there is no avatar, but the Christmas decorations perhaps, and it's very cold actually here.
I just entered this what is it, flower dome. I was thinking again, it must be hot, you know, under the glass thing, but actually very cold.
Okay, let's get there somewhere. We're gonna walk faster, we're gonna feel more warmer. Well, I never expected I'm gonna say it's too cold in Singapore, but that's always first time. And well, oh, that's the beautiful Christmas tree over here. Check this out. I'm going quick, so I'm gonna show you without editing. So cool, actually. Check this out. So it's like a garden over there under the roof, something like that. So cool. It's like a big garden under the roof.
I told you guys, the best time to come to Singapore is at Christmas time.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Very nice, very nice. And well, oh, they have a really nice Christmas festive now. Yes, I never been here, not 100% sure what I should do. But a lot of attention is about this Christmas decoration and this Christmas house, what we're gonna get soon. But first, enjoying beautiful decorations, Christmas trees, obviously. So many people enjoying the Christmas in Singapore from all around the world, as I mentioned already many times. And there is Santa Claus. No, Santa Claus is gone. Sayang, no presents this year for Christmas.
But the thing is that,
so busy.
what I can say, so packed of people coming from many different of countries. I told you we don't need to go to Europe to get the feeling of the Christmas snow.
Christmas snow, but no Christmas snow. But the look is like the cave. So cool. So many people coming here to making the pictures, obviously. And beautiful Christmas trees again. We have the reindeers here. Actually, I don't want to distract the people because this is like a picture zone. But check this out, so cool actually. So basically you have so many alleys like this one where you can also watching the flowers. Flowers probably from also all around the world, and the palm trees. Previously I saw even Australian gardens and gardens from Europe. But overall you have flowers like this one, from any kind of flowers, but I'm not the specialist about the flowers, guys. So I'm gonna only make a picture video for you. So as I mentioned previously, flowers, palm trees, pine trees, everything is here. It's actually really beautiful. Now I'm confused. Actually, I'm confused, saying maybe you know, which one do you think is better, at daytime or nighttime to come here? It's hard to say, right?
It's very hard to say. I like both.
Yeah, the both
But the
is
thing
nice.
is that either daytime or nighttime you come here, the temperature so cool and fresh.
Here you have well, I'm gonna tell you that looks like in Holland. flowers and the houses like this one. Should get closer, but there's so much people actually everywhere around.
Next is Mediterranean garden. Let's
Oh, that
go.
sounds like my favorite one, because I love the palm trees, especially this one, like a big one, and the fat palm trees. Whenever I go to Spain or Portugal, you can find like these ones. Also in the Côte d'Azur in France, in Monaco, they have it, but it's so cool. And all the different kind of trees and everything. And the music on the Christmas and the beautiful Christmas trees. So cool, so cool. Check this out. Very interesting and a little bit different when you can see. Here perhaps you have olive groves. I'm not sure if that's the olive trees, but I believe like that ones.
Behind me is the South African garden. So
Oh.
let's say if we will travel to South Africa, so this is actually the plants that grow in a South African country.
Okay guys, the last shot from the flower dome. That's the nice trees. I'm gonna tell you in general, palm trees and the pine trees. This one is actually very nice. I didn't even saw this ones like this originally in my life. I'm even gonna show you. This is the names. Oh, actually this is the monkey puzzle tree. Sayang, that's the cactus section. You like cactus?
Ah, let's go there and check.
Let's have a look. Well, or if I would like to make a very detailed video, it will be like a 8 hours long video. I could make a half day live stream even here. But you have a spaces of cactuses from all around the world. My mama have in the garden like this one. And they are popular in the Mediterranean countries. But check this out. This big one here is so cool actually. So many interesting cactuses here. This one I never saw in my life before, like this one. This is the small one.
Look, it says the origin is Madagascar.
So cool.
So it means that they import it from Madagascar.
Yeah, you can find the species from all around the world in the one place in Singapore. Can you imagine that? So cool, isn't it? So cool indeed.
And
Small
another
things,
Christmas trees.
of course. Small things, but makes you happy. Look at this one. The baobabs, like this one. That's very interesting trees.
What? Monkey puzzle tree?
And I know why I really like this tree, because the name is similar to our, yeah? Monkeys tree, super cool. Okay, that's the last shot of the Christmas. And now we're gonna have a look overlooking the super trees and gardens by the bay. Normally here is the entrance to the super trees OCBC Skyway, but currently it's like a Christmas Wonderland and the Christmas Jurassic Nest food hall. So you have to, I think, buy the special entrance fee, and it's totally different than it used to be actually. So it's a little bit different. People have to have a pass and everything. So it's closed during the Christmas for the public, at least at night time, guys. Okay guys, so that was the two attractions of Gardens by the Bay. Definitely this is a very good place for you if you're coming with the families and you have a kids and you want to teach them something, or you want to educate yourself. It's definitely worth it, and generally very cool attraction, I'm gonna tell you guys. Currently we were thinking to going to the OCBC Skywalk Super Trees, but it's super busy because it's closed for the public. It's like now it's Christmas Wonderland and some street food. It's like totally different. We cannot do it on today's occasion. If we're gonna have a time, we're gonna go next days. If not, you already saw it on the previous videos anyways. You can watch it. Been there many times. Now we're gonna go there. There's still some Christmas vibe. Next to McDonald's here, and there is the Starbucks obviously. You can still see the super tree, which is actually here, this one. They are exactly the same, like closer to the Marina Bay, but they are like without the show, without the vibe. But there is the huge Christmas tree actually, so it's pretty cool. And also you can have a coffee, all of this stuff. And if you're looking to have a taxi, you can take it from this part. Actually, there is the taxi zone. And also this brand new MRT Brown line, like I mentioned on yesterday's video. So everything is actually now more easier and more accessible. And here we go, this is the super tree. Last view from the parking area, I could say. So now we are recently in the concert hall, and there is like a Christmas carol actually, live performance, free entrance, anyone can enjoy. So many spectators actually. So lovely.